Is the True Beauty Glow device the real deal for radiant skin, or just another overhyped beauty gadget emptying our wallets? Let's find out. First, we're diving deep into the device's claims. They promise a lot, everything from instant radiance to reduced wrinkles. Let's investigate the science behind these claims. Next, it's all about research. This device uses LED light therapy, so we'll explore what actual dermatologists say about it. We'll also compare real customer reviews, good and bad, to see if it matches the hype. Now, let's talk usability. Is it easy to use? Does it fit seamlessly into your existing skincare routine? We'll show you exactly how to use the device properly for best results. We test the device ourselves to see the difference. We'll document a before and after and show you realistic expectations to watch out for. Finally, let's weigh the cost. Is the True Beauty Glow device worth the investment? Or are there more affordable and effective alternatives available? We will compare the device to other skincare products.